We're going to show you a cool trick for fixing plastic. Clear plastic in particular is a pain in the ass. Anyway, this is normal CA glue, and we cracked this Fez Tool dust collection system when Petey got mad and kicked it like a football.
Yep, that's me kicking $500 buckets like each other.
So, one thing about clear plastics is you cannot use activator, CA glue activator. Do not use it on clear plastics or polyethylene. But you can use baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate catalyzes the curing of cyanoacrylate. And I don't know why, but I saw it on YouTube. And then we have this plastic welding gun, which I think I got for like 25 bucks on Amazon. And we can just reinforce that seam with this. Frankenstein it a little bit. It is a very weird, obscure tool. Now we have something that can snag us for the rest of time. Frankenstein.